Unraveling the phrase, top rope. Hey everyone, today, we're going to demystify the phrase, top rope. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it in your conversations. First, let's break down the two words. Top generally refers to the highest part of something, and rope is a long, thick cord made from several strands twisted together. So, when you think about the words side by side, you might picture a rope hanging from a high point. But is that all there is to it? In the world of rock climbing, top rope has a specific meaning. It refers to a type of climbing where the rope is anchored above the climber, rather than below. This method is often used by beginners because it's considered safer. If the climber loses their grip, they won't fall very far because the rope, anchored at the top, catches them. Outside of climbing, you might occasionally hear the phrase used metaphorically. For example, someone might say, "She's my top rope," implying that the person provides a sense of security or support. However, this usage is less common. Remember, context is key. So, there you have it. Top rope isn't just about ropes and tops. It's a phrase with roots in rock climbing, denoting safety and support. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning for you. Keep exploring the English language, and we'll see you in the next video.